Thanks, Harley. It ended on Death to America. I don't want to. I want to find out what happened in Brazil.
No, I want to find out what happened to the girl that was stolen by monkeys.
But perhaps the greatest nightmare of all for a parent is to have a child abducted.
Oh, yes, kidnapping children.
Fucking face first. Oh god, watch out!
Some other was grabbed by a
No,
man who placed a
was
rag
not
of
helping.
chloroform over.
I think we should keep it just for that, Cringe.
You're being taken to Brazil.
Getting taken to monkey land.
As a Malaysian myself, I confirm our whole country was blown up and now it goes.
Geneva suggestion.
A man in the group shouted. The group began to run, and Marina was dropped
What these
on the ground.
stock footages?
Disoriented and
Fucking
exhausted,
hell.
Marina carved out a small hole near her. Monkeys were curious about.
It sounds like a Disney film.
It is a Disney film.
It's the pre-sequel to the Jungle Book.
Yes.
Old monkey approached the sick child. At
Oh
first,
shit, it's Rafiki.
Marina drank the water, vomited up the seeds, and began to recover. I was scared. but
Why
looking
they show
into his
footage of
eyes, I
planting
understood
seeds?
that- but how did she escape the jungle, and what happened to her
I don't
afterward?
fucking
That
care.
shall remain a mystery. What happened in Brazil? I want to know.
Girl is sitting in her kitchen, absolutely mesmerized.
Cocaine,
like something
literally.
out of a fairy tale.
Crystal
Well,
meth.
it's
6-year-old
Cola
scoops up
or
handfuls of
cocaine?
this
Can you get the
flavor
Breaking?
dust.
Can you
She
get the
gets some
Breaking
of it
Bad
in her
theme?
sandwich. She's
Okay.
What the fuck? You don't put crystal meth in your sandwich?
Well, it seems to be working.
What? You don't put crystal meth in your...
and excitedly says to her pop, "Look at me, I'm glowing, I'm a sparkling little angel." A few weeks later, and the child was no longer magical. She had to be buried in a specially made fiberglass coffin, lined with lead.
This actually sounds like an intro for this.
Because what the hell was all that about?
I don't
This is
care.
the story of what's now called the Goiânia.
No, leave it. No, it's the best part of the song.
Chernobyl. And now we'll take you back to the start. Goiânia is the capital city of the state of Goiás in central western Brazil. The city would become known for being home to one of the world's worst. What they were totally unaware of was that inside that canister was a capsule that
Crystal meth.
Oh shit.
Jesse, we need to smoke the radioactive crystal meth.
Dan well wanted to know what was inside. Later that night, both men started throwing up.
Oh,
and
look, they
turned a
became a
shade of
sim-
yellow. But he only went to the hospital when his left hand swelled up.
Oh,
and
yeah,
became a
that's
boxing
not
glove.
bad
He ended up having
whatsoever.
to have a few of his fingers partially amputated. That made sense in a way since the canister looked something like a bomb. He tried to ignite the stuff and nothing
Why?
happened. And now feeling a little
Well,
upset that
terrorism.
all
That's
he
a
discovered
really
was
bad
powder,
idea.
albeit a
First idea
magical
after looking
fluorescent
at
powder. He took all of his haul to another scrapyard and sold it. The owner of that
This
yard
guy
was
is
one
smart.
Devet. She saw some of it get into her sandwich and thinking it was probably harmless, she just ate it.
Why
That
would
turn
you
out to be
eat-
the biggest mistake of her
Oh
life.
my
Another
god.
person
Added 2 seconds.
Let's watch this.
I
It
fuck
can't
you,
be.
we're going beyond. No. God damn it, I just want
We
to
need
know
to watch
what
the
happened in
social
Brazil.
consequences of
Young girl
religion. God damn it.
Oh great, another sexuality test.
Yeah, do it. Come on.
Yeah, press visit site.
Press visit
Fine
site.
then.
Come on, let's do it. Put some
You're
fucking
uploading
excitement in there.
Okay,
It's not doing anything.
Click it.
I'm clicking it.
Harder.
Left click it.
Faster.
Click for square.
My screen is flashing white. I don't know if I've got a virus now.
Fucking hate Discord. Fuck it. Can we go back to the good old days of Skype? This is terrible. Fuck this shit.
God damn it, Vlad, I just
Playing
saw
with
you
his
put a
toys
chat.
as his
And his
mom
mom
watched
watched
porn
against naked. Number 6, man urinates on fellow passengers.
Number 1.
People make me sick, but not for the reasons that I want to know.
Number 4.
I once saw a video of a guy playing like you know that crocodile game where you press the wrong teeth and it clamps down.
Yeah. Was it
It
with
did-
like knives or?
No, he did that with like with like sharp bits on the teeth,
Oh,
and he
fucking
did it with his dick.
Oh.
I know everybody wants me to say it, so let's just get this out of the way.
Spy Gaming.
There it is. Yeah.
What about Pyro? Owner stocks Marasmus Gaming.
Yes.
We gotta get Marasmus Gaming.
Yeah, we gotta get Marasmus.
We need engineer. We can't do soldier, unfortunately, but we need engineer. Leave it
Oh
here,
my
leave
god,
it
he
here.
actually...
Yeah, leave it here. Yep, that's it.
Marasmus Gaming, mortals!
It's good.
I freaking love Marasmus.
Yeah, it's good. No, I'm gonna go eat now. I'll be back. Do whatever.
Okay.
Talk about whatever. I'll be back.
Okay.
Are we done with the recording? That's it?
Oh yeah, we're done with the recording.
Fantastic.
That hit the roof. I'm not joking. That hit the roof. You know what I'm doing when I get back.